In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add effects on Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just swipe to the right to activate Instagram camera. After that, make sure that story mode is selected at the bottom, and all you have to do now in order to add some effect to your story is just to choose an effect from that bar. You can drag it to switch between effects in that way, or you can just tap at any effect to apply it. After that, once you have chosen an effect, all you have to do is just record video or take a photo in that way with the effect applied, and all you have to do now is just continue editing your story. You can add there some stickers, some text and all that stuff. Also, you can create a story from pre-recorded video or photo from your camera roll with an effect. To do that, just go to Instagram camera again and then tap right here at camera roll icon. Then you will be able to choose any photo or any video just like that, and then in order to add effects, tap at this icon with stars, and then you can add any effect to that story. After that, tap at done, and then you can add there some stickers, some text and all that stuff. Then hit at next, and then you can share this story with your followers. That's how you can easily add effects on Instagram story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.